Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Samsung Health app pro tips step by step clearly. Open the Samsung Health app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, visit the Google Play Store or Galaxy Store. Once the app is open, tap on Get Started to begin the setup process. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Samsung account. If you don't have an account, select Create Account and follow the on-screen instructions. After signing in, you will be asked to grant permissions for health and fitness tracking. Enable location services for accurate tracking of outdoor activities. Next, personalize your profile by entering your age, height, weight, and gender. This information helps the app provide more tailored insights and recommendations. Once your profile is complete, you can set your health goals. Choose from options like weight management, improving fitness levels, or monitoring specific health metrics. Next, explore the available features of the app, such as activity tracking, sleep analysis, and nutrition logging. To track activities, tap on the Exercise tab. Select the type of exercise you plan to perform for accurate tracking. For nutrition tracking, tap on the Nutrition tab. You can enter meals manually or scan barcodes to simplify the process. Enable notifications to receive reminders and motivation throughout your wellness journey. For additional features, explore the Settings menu for customization options. Integrate with other devices, like a Samsung smartwatch, for enhanced tracking. Lastly, regularly check your progress in the Home tab to stay motivated and make adjustments to your goals. Now you're ready to take full advantage of the Samsung Health app for your wellness journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.